The universe is expanding. And the sky, universe, we constructed. It with support, and indeed we surely are. Expanders. Al-Quran 51:47. What? Are you more difficult to create? Or the sky, universe? He has constructed it. He has raised its thickness and proportioned it. Its night does he endow with darkness, and its splendor does he brings out. Al-Quran 79:27-33. The universe will collapse to the state of Big Crunch. As the following verse indicates. On the day when we will roll up the skies, universe, like the rolling up of the scroll for writings. Al-Quran 21:104. Subsequently, the universe will revive. The initial reviving universe is the point of the resurrection. The resurrected humans will be assembled in a specially created land of judgment in the superspace, and the final judgment will be carried out. And not they honored Allah, true honor, while the land of judgment, is assembling in his hand on the day of resurrection, and the skies, Samawat/the universe, rolled up in his right hand, glory be to him. And high is he above what they associate. Al-Quran 39:67. The Quran mentions that there is another universe. Jannat, beyond this universe, Samawat/Samawat Wallard. Be quick in the race for forgiveness from your Lord, and for a Jannat, another universe, whose width is that of the skies and lands, Samawat Wallard / this universe, prepared for the righteous. Al-Quran 3:133. Race to forgiveness from your Lord, and the Jannat, another universe, the width of which is as the width of the sky and land, this universe. Al-Quran 57:2. Because only a few will be saved, God has created two universes, instead of only 1 inch. 2 Esdras 7:50, Holy Bible, GNB. After the judgment, a part of mankind will be shifted to the Jannat, where they will live forever in peace and satisfaction, as empowered vicegerents of God. Their verbal orders will be materialized instantly. The sinners will be left in the land of judgment. Subsequently, they will be thrown into the reviving universe. The super-compact galaxies will revive just by gaining the volumes of space. Each reviving galaxy will capture a sinner. The sinner will live in the galaxy forever in disasters and pains, as a forgotten vicegerent of God. He will not have any divine power. Allah created the skies and lands. Samawat Wallard / this universe, for just ends, and in order that each soul may find the recompense of what it has earned, and none of them be wronged. Al-Quran 54:22. We created not the skies and lands, and all between them, this universe, merely in sport. We created them not except for just ends. But most of them do not understand. Verily, the day of sorting out is the time appointed for all of them. Al-Quran 44:38-40. It will also be said, this day we will forget you, as ye forgot the meeting of this day of yours. And your abode is the fire, and no helpers have ye. Al-Quran 54:34. It is the master plan of Allah, to create, develop and delegate his vicegerents, human beings, throughout the creations, the Jannat and the Samawat, with a view to infuse life in the universes, deploy intelligence and freedom of thought in the creations, and open a flexible and interesting way of ruling. The matter will be amply clear in subsequent chapters. The book narrates the creation, evolution, doomsday, resurrection, judgment and salvation in a Well-planned chronology on the basis of the Quran and science.